Let's make the Sea Prince O Death from Kraken Rum. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the Sea Prince O Death from Kraken Rum. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. Technically, the name of this drink is the Sea Prince of Death, but I think there's a missed opportunity on the Kraken Rum's part. They should have had an O with a little apostrophe at the end. Sea Prince O Death. Never miss an opportunity to use an O with an apostrophe, especially in front of death. Personal philosophy. Other than that, I don't have anything to tell you about this drink. I don't know why it's named Sea Prince of Death. If you do, let me know what it is in the comments down below. A note on the rum. This is a Kraken Rum official recipe. So if you're going to make the Sea Prince of or O Death, you probably should use the Kraken's black spiced rum. If you want to try this drink with a different rum, feel free to do so, but then you're not making the Kraken's official Sea Prince of Death. To make this drink, we're going to start by muddling 2 or 3 chunks of pineapple in the bottom of our shaker. I'm going to muddle this, and I'll be right back with you. Muddling done, I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients, except for the champagne. We'll get to that in a little bit. First thing I'm going to do is put in 2 dashes. 2 dashes? Yes. Angostura bitters. 2 dashes, 2 dashes. Cap is deeper than I thought it was. 1 teaspoon, which is 5 milliliters of lemon juice. 1/4 ounce of 1:1 simple syrup. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. Maraschino liqueur. Now, I don't have any maraschino, so I'm going to use cherry, hearing, and I'm going to put in 1/4 ounce of that. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. And finally, the Kraken black spiced rum, 1 ounce, which is 30 milliliters. I showed it who is boss. Add some ice. And give it a quick shake. A flash shake, if you will. Now, the recipe online does tell you to top off with champagne. I'm not going to top off my shaker full of champagne. Instead, I'm going to strain this into my glass. And I'm going to double strain. I'm going to double strain because of all the pineapple chunks. Now I'm going to top it off with champagne. And not champagne, I'm going to use cava. Champagne's the official recipe. I'll be right back with you. Oh. Well, it looks like my cava was a little excited. I'm going to top off with my glass anyway. I'm going to go wipe off my hand real quick. And my glass was a little excited too. So I'm going to garnish this as they tell me to garnish it. Just pretend all that didn't happen. Lemon twist. I'm going to express, twist, and put it on top. And there you have it, the Sea Prince O Death. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, why did my cava do that? I assume it was too warm, but I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what I did dumb. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, you can have a t-shirt. Contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at those social media links, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, turn on your likes. Give me a like. Turn on your notifications, subscribe, do all that stuff so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.